You're welcome back. This is Upside Down. The hashtag is Upside Down. And the WhatsApp number 0550585832. Let's hear from you. And today we're going to have a very interesting conversation. Like we said, today is full of entertainment as usual.
I've been smiling since last night, because this gentleman that we are going to talk to is a whole mood,
Yes.
How he comes about, the stuff he says, I mean, what he does and all that. Ghana is really blessed with some personalities.
Yes.
Sometimes you might not really think about these people, but you realize that when you take them out of the disciplines that they represent, there's a whole gap,
That's it.
And I'm so excited, ladies and gentlemen, about the guy that we're going to be talking to.
Yes.
Now, you will understand very soon. In the meantime, let's see who we are talking about.
Oh, Jerry Rawlings is a member of the Ghanaians, and the word no. Everybody loved Fire Lieutenant John J. Rawlings. Now, when you read the time when John Rawlings is jubilating the June 4th, it's fantastic because the man is a great. And let me tell you something. Although Rawlings made a coup for this country, but he is the one who made Ghana as he are. Because first of all, without Rawlings, by this time Ghana is bombasted. Yeah, because Fire Lieutenant John J. Rawlings, although he does so many things which is life and prosperity, and I hope that so far as still Rawlings is the country, we have to remember Fire Lieutenant John J. Rawlings because he's the man of the Abentusa, king of Medusa Torch. Fire Lieutenant John J. Rawlings, no sympathy for the cripple after the criminal war. I love the man.
So as you can see, we are going to be speaking with Mr. Langabell. Let's give him a round of applause as he joins us on.
This is more than Miss Ghana.
The walk.
Langabell.
I'm telling you, respect.
You're welcome to the Upside Down Show.
This is a fantastic upside down
Thank you.
because I never made this kind of upside down before. But the ladies and gentlemen, when I'm sitting behind me, Charlie, fundamental.
Thank you very much. Langabell, so tell us about yourself.
Yes.
What I'm very interested in is where you went to school. Because the kind of English you speak is on a whole different league.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
So tell us about Langabell.
Oh, normally, you know that during our time, in the school time, it's not right now where things make free for some of the mothers and the fathers and this kind of things. See, sometimes our time when you finish Form 4 is hardly before. If there's no money in your family, you can't go secondary school. Before, after secondary school, you go to university. Where you can't go to secondary school, how can you go to university? But you managed for Form 4 because Form 4 that time it was the Form 4 way everybody take go and find a job.
So tell us, where were you born? At what time? Where is your family?
Okay, I'm born in Mamprobai.
Okay.
That is Mamprobi.
Thank you.
That's Mamprobai.
Mamprobai.
Yeah. I was born 1962.
Okay.
In Mamprobi.
Yeah.
My father from Mamprobi, my mother from Koligon.
Okay.
Yeah. No, them all they Accra bomb people,
Yeah.
Them all they are bombasted.
You know.
Yeah, man.
And then where did you school?
Oh, I school at Roman Boys.
Okay.
At Koligon.
Okay.
During my kid time, then later I finished at Koligono 2, Cajun 2. Then, when I finished school, 79, that time the king of the Medusa of Fire Lieutenant John J. Rawlings in the town. Where they come and make some the coup, then the country make hard small.
Yeah.
Well, that time man ran to Lagos.
Oh, okay.
You went to Lagos?
Yes, that's 79.
You ran away from Ghana.
Yeah, I leave this country because that time the country is too hot. Serious. If you don't take time, you die because no food, no water, only tobacco and pour more.
So how long did you stay in Lagos for?
6 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what were you doing in Lagos?
Oh, that time before I went to Lagos, that time 17 years when I went to Lagos. Well, I mean, so lucky. I go and find company called Julius Berger.
Okay.
Yeah, Julius Berger. And that time, I used to follow Accra Great Olympics supporters in Koligon. During that time, it was Adama Sinatra who pre-drum for Olympics.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But when they are going, they just pack the things and I follow them. Well, I just learned that drum from the Adama Sinatra.
Okay.
Well, after that, when I went to Lagos, I go and meet some white man. He also need a black African cutter drumming. No, I have to teach him.
Okay.
No, he also, I just helped him. Then he also took me as a worker in Julius Berger. And that man, that time, in position in that company, it was a painter overseer. When he asked me, what kind of job
can I do?
I said, Charlie, before me, you see, sometimes when things fall apart like this, you don't know how to say.
Yeah.
That's okay. If you can show me how to make a painter, teach me how to paint. Then the white man teach me how to make the painting.
So can you still paint?
Oh, boy, what are you talking about? I'm the one who paint GFA and Pamplan.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
Yeah.
So painting.
Even though your place, I can make the design and everything for you.
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's interesting. So then from playing drums in Lagos and learning how to paint and everything, how did you learn, join the Black Star? How did you fuse it? How did you come back into the Ghanaian scene?
1986 when I came to Ghana. You see, that time, it was the same situation in 1979
that you came with.
You come and meet that 1986. That time it was a curfew. You see, how I just make myself that no, Charlie, rather there's no work in Ghana here. Well, let me find some plan B, let me see something. Then I go open some station as a bookman.
Okay. A car station.
The car station as a bookman for Mamplobi.
Okay.
From my day.
Yeah.
When we reach Aboji. Yes. Well, when the cars come down, load them, then they give me money.
Yeah.
When I load them, then they give me money.
Accra State by plan.
Accra State by plan, my sweetheart. Well, that time, I was there with coach. That time, the coach, it was Coach J. Isapon in Olympics. They called me, say, Langabe, I want you to come and help me as equipment officer. That time, it was a ball boy.
Okay.
Right now, the Buffalo Lions we make the equipment officer. That time, it's a ball boy.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I used to go and do the ball boy. And so lucky, 1988, when the team is playing, the Olympics is playing, I'm the one, I play drum.
Oh, okay.
Still, I'm a ball boy, but still I'm the drummer in the camp.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, one fun day, the women, the black queens want to start them qualify for the World Cup 1990.
Okay.
For US. Then Kojo Fiano. Now GFA, now GACA chairman.
Yeah.
He called me, he said, Langabe. And one man called the one who died, late Mr. Aye. He also is a chief executive in National Sports Council, now authority or so.
Yeah.
Then he called me, he said, Langabe, if you can help to support the Queens. Well, when you read the Queen's time, then I changed the drum to Black Star.
Okay.
Red, gold, green. Then I support them. When they play finish, they have changed it to Accra, to blue and white.
Okay.
Okay.
No, that thing, I'm doing that thing now, then 1990, when the women want to go to USC. That time, these are our politicians, they are wicked.
Oh.
It was serious because somebody will suffer. When you reach the sweetness, before you see that, they will come and say that, and the order from our birth say we're supposed to send these people, this is it.
So you felt betrayed.
No, they don't take us go to the US. But if what the God writes, He writes, it cannot change.
No.
See, look, since that time, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Well, 1992, that I follow, they call me as a drummer to organize. I have my own instrumental group.
Oh, okay.
Well, when we go to outside the country, then we go and mobilize the supporters, the Ghanaians.
Okay.
We did it. That time there's no, how do you call it?
Supporters
no
union.
supporters union.
Yeah.
About 250 supporters right now in Ghana here. As I'm telling you right now, 250 supporters union. First in history.
Wow.
It never happened the whole world. Only Ghana alone because everybody want chop. Now if I want chop by this time, I don't know where I I am, whether I die or I'm in prison.
But let's look at you traveling around with the Black Stars. You've been everywhere with them.
Yeah.
I mean, you're a big man. See, what is the experience like?
That's why I used to tell you something that if you do good, you do for yourself.
Yeah.
If you do bad, you do for yourself.
Yeah.
If it's not because of these queens.
You wouldn't have met the Black Stars.
Exactly.
It's because of the queens. I just do the thing free. Nobody give me anything.
So for the love of the country.
Me too. How do you call it? I'm happy that me too. I'm supporting the national.
And not the official drama.
That's it. 2005. Then my brother Aziz Haruna Futa, Abraham Boachi, and Edmond Aka. They came and they said that the minister said we should do together.
Okay.
To do a union.
But that time there's a union already, which is 1999.
Yeah.
Abiwa, if you remember, that's under 20.
Yeah.
When we took here, like kissing them with. By the grace of God, we make together.
Yeah.
Then we went to we qualified the World Cup. Then we go to
Germany.
Okay. We went to the German. I said I want to see the atmosphere of Europe.
Yeah.
No, I didn't come back.
Oh, okay. You stayed in Germany for how long?
No, I stayed in Germany about 1 month. Then I leave Germany. Then I go to Holland.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, I stay Holland. Then I come back to 2009.
Oh, okay. And you came to Ghana in
2009.
Okay.
No, 2009 when I come back. Then I come and tell Kwesi Nyantechi and Fred Papu and Randy Abbey and Kofi Sia. That's the general secretary. I told them right now come. No, they supposed to give me the work. Because right now I do a lot of job free for Amawara Ghana. No, they have to find me some place to the national team. Well, they see us to wait. Okay. They will go and sit down there, come and tell me something. So immediately I wait, but 2 days later they call me. They say all the place is occupied. But the only thing they want to give me the chief drama of the national team. Did I like? I say yes, I like it.
Yeah, man. no. So chief drama, and then you have a unique style. Your communication is amazing.
Yeah. Fantastic.
How do you create the words that you use? You have your own dictionary.
You see, let me tell you something. During my time when I'm going to school, for this one, like. you go inside my memories around the mango tree.
So let it flow.
You see, during my school time, where I'm class 3, class 4, Charlie, I swear, when the teacher says something, I used to challenge the teacher.
Okay.
And the English when I will use to ask that question in the school, the teacher will say, Charlie Langabe, hey Joe, where do you get this English from? I said, Charlie, but teacher, you are the one you are teaching us the English. You ask me where did I get the English? He said, the one I'm teaching you is not what we are talking about. I said, okay, don't worry, I will talk your own.
Yeah.
Then later on, one fine day, he came to school. Then he said, everybody have to say something about, like as you asked me,
yourself.
Then I start speaking some English.
How did you say that? We want to know. So tell us in your own words.
It's a low down popcorn that time. Yeah, man.
So now we want you to give us yourself. Tell us about yourself in your dictionary English.
Thank you. You see, sometimes when I'm talking, sometimes when I'm talking to you, sometimes when I'm talking to you like us, I'm talking like a grammar to you like this. Normally, no. I don't know what comes to my mind. Then it changed to something sentimental English.
Yeah.
You got it.
I got it.
The thing, it seems like it's like a spirit.
Yeah.
The thing came to my mind with that
announcement.
Thank you for the word so sweet. You see?
Yeah.
That is how I used to, and football too. Football means like something like a courageous and cheerful. Courageous and cheerful. You understand me?
I understand.
It's a culture.
That's it. The music. Let the players feel happy. If you're a sports person, you need somebody to let you every time you have to enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
You don't if you're a sportsman,
you need peace of mind.
You don't need anybody to come and sit outside tell you something to remember you or tell you no.
Yeah.
Always. You have the person to be free for you in life or make it be. Anytime at all he see you, you have to be get happy.
Yeah.
Well, that's how the food. You see, I started. It's not today. From Abedipele to my time. Kobla Sedu Amata, you are all the
famous penalty kick by Asamoah Gyan, and the whole Ghana was quiet that day. Were you in the stadium that day?
Yeah.
So when we had a penalty, how did you feel?
You see that day, that penalty, the referee. I consult the referee in the dressing room after the match. I told the referee the ball is goal. You're not supposed to take the penalty. I told the referee.
Yeah.
I told the referee, madam, I say, referee, that ball is a goal. It's not the penalty. Because there are two players in the pole, and the one miss. One is going to remove it, and he missed before Suarez push it down.
Yeah.
Automatic, it was a goal. But you see, that ball, our players didn't listen to Stephen Appiah. If they listen to Stephen Appiah, that ball is not, the referee cannot take penalty. Because I'm seeing Stephen Appiah pointing there, he telling that let's go because the last one is running. The last one, when he did that late, is running to the center pole.
Meaning it was a goal.
It was a goal. Yeah. I remember that, Charlie, that penalty there. It was what
was going through your mind?
Charlie, me and Sule, that time, immediately we get the penalty. No way, we get a penalty, I get happy.
Yeah.
But Sule too come out from the bench.
The bench.
Then we went to the dressing room. Well, me, I follow Sule. You understand me?
To start the party?
No, to open the door for him. No, Sule went back to washing room to bath.
Okay.
Or me too, after when I want to go to the park, instead of I have to go out, I want to stand for because the dressing, there's a television there.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm going to watch, I'm standing there while I'm watching the penalty.
Yeah.
When my mom prayed the penalty, I said, ow! Then Sule asked me, Langabe, what happened? Baby missed the penalty. Yes.
So does that mean that when Suarez was jubilating and going into the tunnel, you saw him?
Charlie, football, if it's something, somebody can kill somebody. That's why they kill people.
Yeah.
For football, we people is.
So when Asamoah Gyan lost the penalty,
Charlie,
in your mind, what was it?
Nobody talked there. Nobody talked. Charlie, after the miss, Charlie, Charlie.
But how was Asamoah Gyan himself feeling? You were with him,
sister. In the dressing room, like everybody, mother and father died. In the dressing room, Randy Abbey, he be God. Randy Abbey, PB, rise up.
Really?
Up to 280.
Are you joking?
After Asamoah Gyan missed that penalty, we will come to the dress. We are coming, not knowing something is doing Randy Abbey. We the doctors, they top in the dressing room.
Wow.
280 BP when it go up, we doctors small.
So what was Asamoah Gyan? Was he crying? What was he doing?
Everybody like that crying in the room. John Benty there don't go there. It seems like his father or his mother died. In Charlie, sister, the place where we reach.
Yes.
It's not the place where we will come out.
Anyway, but you are the hype man, so even in the midst of disappointment and people crying and all, you have a way of bringing smiles to the faces of people.
I'm crying.
But apart from that, you have done a lot of songs for the Black Stars.
Yeah.
The Baba Black Sheep. Have you any woe? Help me.
You see, football there, Charlie, when you win, enjoyment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's show you some of your songs. When we come back, you'll be doing one song for us.
For Upside Down.
Yes,
no
you understand.
Side. All right. Upside Down. No side.
So let's take a look.
Bra 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 ship. Avienne woo, yes, star master, 3 by food. 1 for the master, 1 for the Lee. 1 for the little body crisis, the Lee blaster. Blah 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 ship. Avienne woo, yes, star master, 3 by food. 1 for the master, 1 for the Lee. 1 for the little body crisis. 1 for the master is talking to the Ghanaians, and 3 for the everybody, which is moving to the Babylon. To all Ghanaians, even though the president of the Republic of Ghana, he also got his vibe to the Babylon system, which is life and prosperity.
Wow, that's pretty interesting. So, where were you when you actually did that?
This music, when I sing, that time. We pray so much. Blaster plays so much. And we win the match. Where we go someplace. Yes. We go US.
Okay.
When we go play friendly match against this team, how do you call it? South Korea.
Okay. So when you came back to Ghana.
Is it South Korea or
one of those Asian countries.
Yes, Mexico also.
Yeah.
Now, when we come to Ghana, then we pray. We are going to play this match against Congo. Well, after we win, see, the jubilation is high. When my mom, Baby Jet, and that our goalkeeper, Richard Ofori.
Yeah.
Okay.
Richard Ofori. Where they sing, where they said, Talanga, they sing all finish you. Or you to bring some music.
Yeah.
What do you know that the thing come? Bra 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 sheep. Avienne yes, star master, 3 by food. 1 for the master, 1 for the Lee. 1 for the little body crisis, the Lee. Blaster. You see? I bring this music. Then you know that your man too is a musician.
Yeah.
Baby, then you take it.
Yeah.
No, on the way coming in the bus, it's not easy.
That was it.
No, after when I finished that music, no, when I came to the FA, then one journalist saw me, that Joe FM guy. He said, Langa, that music is sweetest. We don't know how to sing.
Yeah.
You sing before we leave here. That's if I was singing, you buy me papaya. And 2 beer.
Yeah.
Say okay. Then I didn't know to go buy count. Then I made a jingle for them.
But so we also get you fried rice and the price change.
Oh, forget about the marbles.
Nice one. So now before you go, this is Upside Down. So you have to do something for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is the D-Day.
Thank you.
I watch everybody.
Yes.
Watch up, Upside Down.
Thank you.
If you jealous, you go quench.
Thank you.
Observers are worry. Yeah. Believers shall enjoy. This is a station, the city, capital town of Chobui.
Thank you.
If you see even though the city itself, you know that you are in the city. Everywhere you come, south, north, east, you enter the city.
Yeah,
City FM. You are a champion, and you bring new era, which is Upside Down.
Thank you.
Thank you for the word so sweet. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the bless and the sing. Hallelujah. We are boo, champion for the station.
Langabell, before you go, we all know you as Langabell. What is your full name?
Oh, man, Lady Barben. The name you call, Joseph Langabell, alias Otodin.
Thank you.
Thank you for the words you said.
Langabell, you are a superstar. Thank you very much for coming. You're still watching Upside Down.